Jai Bhagwan. Three qualities of nature. I am reading from the book Self, written in 2002. Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita says, one should renounce the world. But he says, some of the activities one should continue all the time. That is yajna, tapas and dana. Yajna means sacrifices, tapas means austerity, and dana means charity. Entire universe is functioning because of three forces of nature. One is sattva, other one is rajas, third one is tamas. Tamas is inertia or darkness. Rajas means activity. Sattva means balance or purity. Looking at nuclear level, there is proton, electron, neutron. There are three forces even at subatomic level: positive energy, negative energy, and balance of energy. Tamas is the level of ignorance. Rajasic is the level of personal gain and selfish desire. Sattvic is the level of purity and selflessness. One should strive to attain sattvic qualities and finally renounce all the qualities and attain transcendental state called gunatit state. There are tapas of three kinds: tapas of the body, tapas of the speech, and tapas of the mind. So again, austerity is not only at physical level, but at the level of speech and action. Thought, speech, and action. All these need to be practiced. The tapas of the body is purity, humility, simplicity, respect for elders, celibacy, and so forth. Tapas of speech is to speak the truth, help others, and does not offend others with the speech. Tapas of mind is observing silence, remembering God, controlling the mind, and all this. But all these austerities can be done at different level. Austerity of the body can be done at tamas level, where one tortures the body. One does things to hurt others with austerity. A rasic quality is one performs austerity to impress others, to become popular, to gain wealth or power. And sattvic tapas is done to please the Lord without desires of any fruits and done with deep faith. The quality of tamas and rajas are very similar on the surface. For example, lazy person would be doing nothing. Sattvic person seem to be doing nothing. But one hasn't started the journey, other has finished the journey. Two people are sitting in a restaurant at a table. One party has not ordered the food, they are hungry. Other party is finished with the food, waiting for a check. They are satisfied. So tamas state is a state of hunger. One doesn't have, while the sattvic state is being totally content. So this is the difference. So one has to go through rajasic state, means success in life. If you remain lethargic, don't succeed, you don't evolve. You have to evolve to the level of a rajas, accomplishing success in life. And then you get satisfied with accomplishment in the world and recognize that There is no lasting happiness by gaining wealth, fame, or power. Then you use all your accomplishments for serving others, helping others, and going in the direction of the self. It's called sattvic quality. Ultimate highest quality, which is very high state, is transcendental quality, where you are beyond all the forces of nature, because you become supreme consciousness. You don't have likes or dislike. You don't need to accomplish anything. Jai Bhagavan.